Hello, this is Janet from Riley-DABA, and today I will introduce how to produce the labels. And if you want to produce the weaving labels, you can use this machine. And if you want to produce the blank label, you can use this machine. Now let's look at it. So first, this is the unwinding unit, and we provide one 3-inch air shaft for unwinding, and there is a material stop device. And next is this is a space table, and this is the die cutting unit, and this is the magnetic roller. The flexible dies can adhere to it to die cut the different shapes of labels. And then let's go to this. This is the waste discharge system. The air shaft is used to collect the waste heat. And next, this is the slitting unit, and it can slit the materials. And the last unit, this is the rewinding unit, and we also provide the 3-inch air shaft for rewinding.
Okay, now please look at the finished product, and it can only die cut the face paper. And look at this, so it do not cut the liner. So this is a good product. So our machine has a high precision of die cutting, so it's a good machine to produce labels.